This section is about the approval levels. It's basically the heart of our purchase order system. First of all, you can choose the number of approval levels in your project. That means how many people will get the right to approve purchase orders. You can add as many approval levels as you want. In this example, we will stick to 2 approval levels. As you can see, each line offers a filter, whether the approval applies to all purchase orders or to purchase orders with a certain net total minimum. Let's implement a minimum of $5,000 for the second level. That means there will only be 2 approvals if the PO's net total is equal or greater to $5,000. All other purchase orders will get their final approval after the first level. In the middle section, you can see a small checkbox titled Approval by Department Only. I want to show you what that means in a small illustration. Originally, we designed the purchase order system in a way that only one person can approve each level. That means even if you give approval rights to many people for the same level, only one person will be able to make an approval. In the event that you have created many departments, there might be the need for a separate approval process for each department at the same level. If this is the case, you have to check mark the box Approval by Department Only.